At the end of this video, you'll discover how a simple, delicious soup made from these amazing leaves right here can help high blood sugar. You learn why Ewedu is a must-have for every Nigerian diabetic, as well as 5 amazing benefits of Ewedu for blood sugar control. I mean, many of us know and love Ewedu soup. We eat it with swallows, different kinds of swallows. But what if I told you that apart from the taste and how delicious the soup is, it also contains other powerful benefits that can help you on your diabetes reversal or control journey. So the number one benefit of Ewedu is that it is very high in fiber. The rich fiber content in it slows down how your body digests food, meaning that the sugar from the swallow you pair it with doesn't rush into your bloodstream quickly, but it is released slowly and steadily. And what this does is to help prevent those sudden and sharp spikes in blood sugar levels that are dangerous for diabetics. The number two benefit of Ewedu is that it has a low glycemic index. And like I've said here a number of times, that the glycemic index is how fast a particular food causes a rise in your blood sugar levels after you eat them. So in this case, Ewedu has a low glycemic index. So foods like that have a high glycemic index, like white bread, when you eat them, they cause your blood sugar levels to shoot up quickly. But when you eat soups like Ewedu, your blood sugar levels rises gradually, steadily, and slowly. No sudden spike. So this makes Ewedu a perfect choice for your diabetes diet. Apart from that, you get to eat it in large quantity, in big bowls. You can drink them up as a soup without worrying about the harm that is going to cause for your blood sugar levels. Now, moving to the third benefit of Ewedu, which is the fact that it is very rich in antioxidants. So, diabetes can cause something called oxidative stress in the body over time, and this damages the cells in our bodies. But the good news is that Ewedu is full of vitamins and lots of minerals like vitamin C, vitamin E, and carotenoids. And what all this does is to help fight off the free radicals that cause damage to our body cells, while also helping to prevent the long-term complications of diabetes like kidney failure, like heart disease, like eye damage, and the likes. Then the fourth benefit is that Ewedu helps with weight management. How? You should know that if you are on the overweight side and you want to control high blood sugar, you should try as much as possible to maintain a healthy weight. This will help you to a large extent in controlling diabetes. So one of the ways Ewedu helps with weight management is that it is low in calories but high in fiber and water content. So when you eat it, it makes you feel full for a long period of time. So this helps reduce overeating and manage your weight effectively. Because when you are full, you are not reaching out for unhealthy foods, you are not eating constantly. And also, when you have a smaller waistline, when your waist is not above the recommended number of inches, this helps you to maintain insulin sensitivity, because studies and researches have shown that a large waistline, when you have a larger than normal waistline, it predisposes you to insulin resistance. But when you have a normal, a healthy waistline, a smaller waistline, it makes you insulin sensitive. And this should be a major goal for anyone with diabetes. Then the last and the fifth benefit of Ewedu, which I will be talking about today, is the fact that it helps lower cholesterol. So the fact is, a lot of people with diabetes also suffer from high cholesterol. And you should note that the fiber in Ewedu doesn't just help with blood sugar control alone, but it also binds to cholesterol in your digestive system and helps remove cholesterol from the body. So before I go, let me remind you that if you want to enjoy all these benefits that I've mentioned today, you have to learn how to prepare your ewedu in a healthy way. And how do I mean? Preparing it in a healthy way means that you are using very little quantity of palm oil, very minimal quantity of salt and Maggi cubes. That's how to prepare your ewedu in a healthy way to reap all these benefits that I've mentioned. Also, when you want to eat, make sure that you serve yourself a big bowl of ewedu, then pair it with a very small quantity of your healthy swallow like plantain swallow, plantain amala, with lots and lots of proteins, lots of fish, turkey, chicken, snails, and the likes. So when you eat your ewedu like this, you are going to reap the benefits of blood sugar control. So if today's video has educated and impacted you, kindly give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with family and friends, and if you haven't, kindly subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss educative videos like this on this channel. Until next time, remain healthy and let's continue to beat diabetes the Nigerian way.